go over how to do a chaine turn. So I feel like these are something that it's a very basic turn and every dancer needs to know how to do it, but I also think it's one of the harder turns overall to master with great technique. So really focusing on body alignment, focusing on high releves, supporting legs. And this is, again, another one where there's some differences of how to do them. So I'm gonna give you one way, and I'm not saying there are other ways that aren't correct, but this is kind of how we do it to get our turns clean and the same. So from your preparation, Jada's gonna start in her prep. I always like to tell my dancers to square their chaine off to the side wall, where I know some people square it off to the front, so whatever you prefer, just make sure all of your dancers are doing that the same. So she's gonna square off to the side, and then close her arms and step with her other leg, and then back around. So when you're doing this, something to really focus on is, again, not letting that booty pop out. So we want to keep that tucked under, shoulders on top of hips, on top of ankles. Your feet should be nice and close together when you're doing these turns. We don't ever want to get wide, so we want to keep in that nice first position, squeezing your knees and your ankles together as you're turning, and then really focusing on pressing those legs nice and straight, and then spotting your head. So really focusing on that spot and keeping those shoulders down. A lot of things I see dancers do incorrectly would be opening those arms too wide, which when you do that, it's gonna get you out of control and it causes those ribs to pop out. So we wanna keep those arms, I always say, a little bit in front of you where you can see your fingers if you wiggle them and you're looking forward. So we wanna keep those slightly in front of you. We don't wanna get too wide open, so we're not letting that happen. Bending the knees and then getting those legs too wide. We wanna really focus on keeping those in, because try to turn really quick with those legs too wide, you're gonna get a little bit wobbly. When you're trying to open those legs too wide, you're not gonna be strong in your position. So really focusing on keeping those legs closer together. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, down, up and up and up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8.